This conference will now be recorded.
What is Python, guys? Does anyone have any idea? Does anyone have any idea? What is Python?
Computer program language.
Mm-hmm. Good. Then,
Simple programming language with easy syntaxes.
Website and softwares and data analysis.
okay. What is Python?
Computer programming language.
Computer programming language. Okay. Then,
It used to build softwares and websites.
Python is high level programming language. Okay. Then what is Python? What is advantage this?
To develop websites and softwares. Develop or build.
Okay. Website is
Easy
developing.
to write code.
Mhm. Mhm. Then this is high level programming language and simple to learn, simple to learn, simple and easy to learn, easy to learn. Okay. Then open source, completely open source. Python is a programming language. Programming language means like high level programming language. It will be suitable for our front end application as well back end application. Front end application means web development, web pages designing, or front end web development, and back end means like big data, data science, data analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence. Whatever we are going to build application on top of that, just we can use Python. It will support all libraries whichever we are going to develop here. Well, a library available through Python. Okay, clear?
Yes.
See, Python is a
Yes.
Java.
Adela Arapana.
Yes.
Whenever you're not required to talk, just mute it. Okay. See, once again, Python is a just note it down. Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Then Python was developed by Guido Guido van Rossum.
Question.
Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum in 1991. The official date of birth of Python,
February 1991.
Python is 1991. Okay. Actually, it has been introduced by Gan Rosham 1989. '89 they have been introduced, but in official in public he has been introduced in 1991. Python recommended to first programming language for beginners. I can say Python recommended as first programming language for beginners. Okay. See how we can say this is high level programming, simple to learn. Just we can go for this, and we'll see more advantages. So first, what you need to do, hey guys, all has been installed Java. All guys has been installed Java. I will
No, no,
explain
sir.
what is high level, simple to learn. We will go and deep dive into that. Okay. Okay. Venkatesh, can you share the link Java JDK 8 version?
Yeah, I'm sharing it.
Okay, guys. Everyone got this link? Hey guys, everyone got? You who are all connected through laptop? You guys, anyone connected through laptop?
Yes, sir.
Pushpa, Samsudin, did you connect it?
Hey, I'm connecting, sir. Just
Yes.
give me a sec.
Okay, wait. Samsudin, right?
Yes. Sir, give me a second, sir.
Okay, share screen. Ali, Ali, did you install? Yeah, share screen, Samsudin.
Yeah.
Ali, did you get
Actually,
did you get installed Python and as well Java?
sir, I didn't get request.
I already gave, right?
Actually, I'm watching in my mobile. Just now I connected a laptop.
Oh. Okay, then
So
leave it.
can you give again?
Yeah. I think I request it. It's gone to mobile. I think.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what we'll do. I will uninstall and I install. Just wait. Hmm? There, all. See, if I remove and adding is very difficult. That's what I'm saying. But no one connecting through laptop. What we can do?
Sir, I have connected through laptop only.
You're not able to see. Ali, can you share Python is Python I was installed, Java not installed. Okay, guys, I will uninstall and install. Okay. Otherwise, can you share anyone? Ali, can you share screen? Oh,
I shared the screen, sir. Shall I share?
sharing screening Pushpa Gupma. Yeah, okay, share. Yes. Yeah, Pushpa. Share. Good. Okay. Yes. You have installed, right? Java 11. No. Can you install Java 8?
Okay, sir.
We shared the link, right? Yeah, you have opened that. Again, you need to uninstall. Cancel it at least.
Yeah, yeah.
Did you get download?
Yes, sir.
Uninstall this Java 11th version. Please uninstall it, Pushpa, 11th version. Then you will get installed.
Oh,
Wait. You have an install, right? How in runtime both will do? Yeah. Before you did not uninstall that? Pushpa?
no, no, no.
But without uninstall, how you will get install this? Huh?
So another folder I'm installing, sir. Mm.
But system environment variable. Mm-hmm. Okay. Still it's getting installed. Okay, close, close. Just open that. Now Java iPhone version. You go on the 11th version here we have, right? Now which one it will take? You have two versions, right?
Yes, sir.
In runtime, which version it will take? iPhone, Java iPhone version. Give now.
Yeah.
In up you gave, right? Same. It has been taken. By default is taking Java. Path. You need to say path. iPhone. Yes, good. Now we have Java 1.8.0. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Yeah. Please be cool. Please come different. Ye- Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. Close. Everyone got right. This how she has been installed. Okay. How she has been installed. Clear, right, everyone? So just you can way off. Just you get installed and just you can close. I will share my screen. See, user understandable language. See, high level programming means user can easily understandable language. High level programming means easily user can understandable language. Simply means just very simple to understand and easy to learn as well. Even kid level also they can play with Python programming. Open source. Completely this is the open source. Completely, this is the open source. You no need to pay about anything about, no need to worry about money. Okay, so see Java, you got try. So how to install Java? So Python also you need to get installed. See, just see guys, it will take time if someone will stay. Okay, there is Python. We have 2 points, 3.9.8 version we are installing and uninstall this. Okay, okay, uninstall successful. We have Python launcher, right? Done. See, if you want to install the Python, hmm, see, we can say Python download. That's it. Python download. Directly, you can take Python download. You can go first one Python. We have this is the Python organization. This is Python organization. This is a completely open source. Just you can get download. We have this is the latest version in download. Download 3.10.4. 3.10.4. If you want to go from more version, there you can go for 3.9.1, 3.9.2. That is for better uh, installation for our voice. Yes, we can take this. Okay, 3. Just get it download. Where is that? Windows 8 executable engine, Windows XG, Windows 8 executable installer. Just we can take Windows 8. Okay, these are this you can take. These are this you can take. Okay. Yes, Python has been downloaded. Just showing this. Then install. Add Python means environment variable. We have been set for Java, right? So by default it will ask path. Then we can put it here. Just if you enable this, by default it will go on set up with environment path as well. You no need to go here manually. Okay, it has been installed successful. Just we can check it now. Okay, then Java hyphen question. We have okay Java 17 JDK we have been installed. Okay, let it be, but you should get install 8 only. You should get install 8 only. No worry. See, yes, we can run the Java program. Python, right? Python hyphen. We have Python 3.9.0. Okay, this you can get install Java 9.8 JDK. Okay, so I will get reinstalled as that. So here we need to run Java program, but you no need to develop by Java, no worry. So how to predict simple Java programming with as per our Python, yes, you can try to understand. Okay, anyone have any idea Java? Yes, we will run this program, guys. Just we can take simple program. How to run, guys? Does anyone have any idea? This is my program. This is my program. Just we can go through this, save this, hello world, hello world.java. Here we can change documents or desktop. Can you share in desktop? Okay. Hello world in Java. Let's execute this. It is hello world Java. This is .java extension file, right? So we can run this. This is our desktop location. We will go this folder and try to. Now we are in this. Okay, what we need to Java C hello world. What? See, we are trying to run. Yeah, it has been compiled. It has been compiled. Just what we need to do. Just this compilation done, right? So we are executing. So hello world. It has been print hello world Java. Same thing. If you take in our Python, just it doesn't require go for this compilation. This much lengthy code as well. Just we can take just print hello world. See, it is a pretty simple to understand our Java to Python. Okay, clear everyone? So if you want to add two variables, whenever we would like to add two variables, okay, I want to add sum of two values in Java. What is the purpose? Just how we can add? See, we can take A is equal 10, B is equal A is equal 10, B is equal 20. Then whenever we want to this, just you should be initiate these variables. You should initiate. How we can initiate this? Int a comma b is equal. This is we need to define the values. Which data type we are going to use? We should define the values as well. Okay. This is my sum. I need to sum up these two values. Okay. Then we can print statement. We can go here. Then what is how to sum these two values? The sum of two values a plus b. Okay. Let's execute now this. Let's execute. So exit is Java hello world Java. What is showing? Expected semicolon. Yes. Whatever we are doing, everything we should give the semicolons. Let's execute now. System.out.println method print stream println is not applicable. Stream is not applicable. Guys, see here any syntax error? Hey guys, please help me too.
I think we don't need comma, right? Suraj?
Where
Like,
we don't need comma? Here?
no, not there. A plus B.
Here you right?
Yes, plus.
Very good. Let's see. That's right. In hello world Java, this the sum of two values is 30. In Python, other programming, just we should take the comma. Okay. The same thing we can execute through Python. Okay. A is equal 10, just B is equal 20, just print the sum of two values.
The variables we can give here only, enough for Python.
Yes, yes. Even Java also you can. So this sum of value is 30. So we are declaring. See, when we are specifying in Java, right? So we are declaration as well static. This is Java is completely static type. Okay, we should specify what is the A and B data type. We should specify. In as per whatever corresponding value we have in the variable, automatically it will take dynamically type. It will take dynamically type. Whichever it has been, compiler will get suitable for value for with variable. By default, it will take type as well. Okay, the type of a what is like integer, but there by default pvm python virtual machine itself just it has been allocated its own schema. So if we come to Java, we should specify our manually data type. We should specify, right? So we can give 10.12. I will give a is equal type of this float. By default, it will allocate their own dynamically typed schema. Data types. This doesn't require to maintain any physical schema. Okay, manually you no need to define anything. Whatever assuming values, right? So it will. But see, if we want to write same thing of code in or sum of two values, just we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overall, more than 10 lines of code we need to build for that. Here, simply you can write print a plus just 10 plus 20 as well. Okay. So just what where I am trying to say. See, you're not calling 100, 200. Let's execute. See guys, here you know no need to just very predictive simple Java. Oh sorry, Python. Java see. Here also we need to apply directly values into this. But this is the directly. See, this is which data types which assuming yes it will be difficult to find out over there. So once we done this statically typed will get invoked and it will give the its own schema which we have been defined. Okay. Then what we need to do? See, I can say this is the easy to learn, simple and easy to learn. Just we gone through many example, right? So functional programming, object oriented programming, and as well scripting language, parallel scripting, modular programming, all will be supporting with our python. Python will get support all these programming languages as well: functional, object oriented, scripting language, and modular programming features from module 3. Okay. So you know right where we can use this python, where we can use this python, we can use this for development desktop application, for development web applications, for developing database applications, for network programming, for network programming, for developing games, for data analysis application, for machine learning, for developing artificial intelligence application, deep learning, and for IoT, Internet of Transactions. So there is lot of applications we can use for development. This Python is the well. See, internally just you can go Google and YouTube use Python coding, NASA and networking, stock exchanging application developed by Python. There is lot of we have. Top software companies like Google, Micro, there is lot of companies which are we have, right? So they're using backend application Python only. Okay. Then we have the features of Java, right? See, so far clear. How to get install Python and how to run Java programming and Python. Just my hope is clear. See, you no need to run any Java, guys. Just for better understanding, I gave for how we can build Java code and Python. Python is a very simple, just one line of code. If you go more than 10 lines of code in Java, here just we can build only one line of code. Okay, here doesn't require any main method, class. Just you can use everything. It will treat as the object. It will treat as the object. Okay.
Bro, this is the classes were started, right? Java and Python. Today,
Yes, exactly. See, must require. If you want to run, just print allow this class method as well this main method and this system, this open braces and close braces is mandatory. This manual syntax is mandatory. This should mandatory for building application. Okay. You guys clear?
yes, yes.
So in Python, it doesn't require anything. Just you can use directly. It will treat as each and every in Python class, variables, methods, functions, and object. Each and every component it will treat as the object. It will treat as the object. Okay. Yes, we can go for. Okay. Just we can take features. Features of Java. Features of FEATU. Features of Python. What is features? We have the simple and easy to learn. Yes, we have many example we saw, right? So what is differentiate is what is Java, Python, how it will be, right? So similar way, that's what we are calling as the simple and easy to learn. Then what is a simple C? Python is a simple programming language. When we read Python programming, we can feel like reading English statement, right? We are feeling like reading English statement. The syntax are very simple and only 30 plus keywords available. Only 30 plus keywords only. 32 we have. I will show you that what are available. When compared with other languages, we can write program with very less number of lines. Am I right? So hence more readability and simplicity to understanding Python. We can reduce development and cost of the project as well. This is we can call simply easy to learn. Okay. Next feature we will come. Next feature freeware and open source. Freeware and open source. Freeware and open source. Okay, what is freeware means? This is completely open source, right? We can use Python software without any license and it is freeware. Just note it down. See, freeware means we can use Python software without any license and it is freeware. Its source code is open, even source code also available. Source code is open so that we can use customized based on our requirement. Customization Python means a boss there they are using NumPy, Pandas, and Python. There is our own software. See, we can bring their source code. We can develop our own Python software as well. We can take Uras Python, or like we can take some Javant Python, just JPython, Java Python. There is lot of Python softwares will be available. Similar way we can build our own software as well using our Python source code. Okay, so my hope is clear, right? See, here we have next feature is third one is high level programming language. What is high level, guys? No one has been raised this question. What is high level? High level means user understandable language. User user understandable language, user friendly language. Python is high level programming language and hence it is programmer friendly language, understandable language. Okay, this is we can call high level programming language. High level programming language, for example, Java, Python, PHP, and Scala. This is all the high level programming language. Hey guys, someone have doubt. Hey, what is the low level programming? Only the low level programming in system security, memory management. This is all together we can call low level programming language. Okay, clear? Yes, fourth one is platform independent. Platform independent. What is platform independent? Once we write a Python program, it can run on any platform. We can run in Linux, we can run in OS, Mac OS, wherever we want, just we can run platform independent. Okay, we can run in any platform. Portability. Portability means, guys, portability. We can portability, right? Sim we can put portability for one network to another network. Similar here, we can Python programmer portable. We can migrate from one platform to another platform very easily. Okay, Python program will provide same result on any platform. See, if you're trying to run this programming anywhere, any platform, if you migrate into Linux to Windows Machine to Mac OS, so wherever you run, just once we available our Python library over there, we can run it. But wherever we want, everywhere it will give the same result. It will give the same result. See, clear, right? Portability, dynamically typed, dynamically typed. What is dynamically typed? Already we have seen. We no need to define any data type for these values because by default Python virtual itself it will allocate one data type. Okay, note it. See, in Python we are not required to declare type for variable. Wherever we are assigning the values, based on value, type will be allocated automatically. Hence, Python is considered as dynamically typed. Dynamically typed. Okay. So, SCG code I can take Euraj. What is the data type? What is data type for this? Hey guys, are you there? What is the data type for this?
String.
String. Did I
String.
define? Did I define before? A is equal 10. Okay. Type A we can take. Okay. What is int? P. Did I define this? Did I declare data type before? So that's what we are telling. So Python is the dynamically typed. You no need to define a data type. Python is not required to declare type for the variable. Wherever we are assigning the values based on value, type will be allocated automatically. Hence, Python is considering as dynamically typed. Clear, everyone? But in C, Java, in other programming languages, .NET, we need to define the statically. We should be define the data type. Okay. What is the advantage with this dynamic? See, this dynamic typing nature will provide more flexible to run programmer, more flexible to run Python programmer, more flexible to run the Python code. You guys clear? What is dynamically typed? How we can put portable? Clear, everyone? How to? This is the open source, simple to learn, and high level programming. These 5 points is clear, everyone? 5 to 6.
Clear, sir.
Okay. This is both procedure and object oriented. Object oriented. Object oriented. See, this is both procedure and object oriented programming. What is, right? We can build OOPS concepts. OOPS concept, right? So Python language supports both programming oriented like C, Pascal, etc. Object oriented like C++, Java features. Hence, we can get the benefits of both like security and reusability. Security and reusability. Clear, right? We can build our own classes and we can build our entire application using procedure and as well object oriented. Eighth one is interpreted. This ninth one is extensible. 10th one is extensive library. The embedded extensive library. Okay. Extensive library. So we can see interpreted means we are not required to compile Python programming explicitly. Internally, Python interpreter will take care the compilation. So what is that? In Java, right? When I am running to Java programming here, where is that location? So whenever we are running in test, we will go for the, we are compiling, right? So automatically it will get create dot class file. Dot class file will get generate. Where is hello world we have been taken hello world dot java, but whenever we are compiling this dot class file will get generate, then only it will get compiled. Then only it will get compiled. Till then, so if you not get, it will not get generate the dot class file. So till then our Python will not compile, then only it will get execute our hello world programming. So here doesn't require to compiling and executing at a time runtime. Just we are not required to compile and compile Python program explicitly. Internally Python interpreter will take care that compilation. Python interpreter will take care the compilation. Okay, then clear, right everyone? If compilation fails, interpreter will raise the syntax error. Here, Python interpreter will raise the syntax issue, no worry. Once compilation success, then PVM, Python Virtual Machine is responsibility to execute. Once we get this compilation, then interpreter, if in case any compilation errors, interpreter will take care. Once it will get compiled, then Python Virtual Machine will start the execution. Clear everyone? Extensible, we can use other languages program in Python. The main advantage of approach here, we can use already existing legacy non-Python code. We can improve performance of the application. We can improve performance of the application. We can see this. We can extensible, I will explain going forward. Embedded means we can use Python programming in any other languages programs. We can bring this Python to in Java or Scala or C, not C we can on in PHP, wherever you want this Java code we can pull up there and we can run. Okay. Extensive library means Python has a rich inbuilt libraries. Rich inbuilt libraries. Being a programming, we can use library directly and we are not responsible to implement the functionality. What is a huge library? Extensive library means there is the some thousands of libraries will available in our Python. Okay, there is millions of libraries available in Python. Hey boss, how you are saying this available this Python? So this is if you want to execute this, you can execute one by one. Okay, if you want to execute this file into, I need to keep into single notepad plus plus, I need to save, I need to get run, then you can go, then a is equal 10, b is equal 20, then print this sum of two values, then a plus b. Okay, this is, let's we can save this sample dot py, SAMPLE double I taken right. Okay, in desktop only. Can we print this? Where is sample? Okay, we can take that location first. Copy, command prompt. Yes, you can go for cd mean 10 directly. Okay, yes, sample dot py. How we can run? Python. Yes, you can run Python sample dot py. So the sum of two values is 30. This is very simple guys, just running when we executing. Okay, then we, oh, this is Java. Where is our Python? Okay, so this is way we can use this our Python. By default it's looking at open in notepad. Okay, so this is right, just if you want to build some applications here, so I need this import random, import random application. How it will get import? I need to generate few of the unique numbers between this. Okay, unique number between this. Yes, we can take random. So we can use random. We can try to figure out some few of the more examples to run this. We need to generate few of the random values. We need to generate random values. How we can generate? Random values we need to get generated. That's why we are talking about this. This is the rich library, means huge library. Int randint. We can take randint library. Let's we execute this. We'll see. Notice model name randint. This model is random model. Let's execute this. Random is not defined. Can we put the same here random? Random. Just we can. Let's see. Random module is not defined is showing guys. If we have been given, I given for example how we can generate for each and every. I need to get generate unique key values. Unique key values. How we can
We should put integer, right? After random.
integer? No, not integer. We have the one of the statements we have random method. Use library. That is a one of the rich library to generate random methods over there. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Which I have just I will take and send seed. We have data rand range we can generate. So we can do import random. Yes, we are taking random, right? So rand range. When we print this, we can see first what it will get print first. It has been given 7. It has been given 7. One more time we can run. Yes, 7 again. 7, 1, 7, right. So, same thing what I am trying to do. Random int 1, comma. Best, we will try to save. So, 7166. 7166, 7698. See, this OTP is generating between the, oh sorry, what is this? We have 3544. Yes, if we bring, we have the nowadays OTP generating 6 digits, right? So we have 419298, my OTP. If we, how many runs you will run, right? So same individual OTPs will get generated using random, using random function. See, is there any generating duplicate? Uh, is there generating any duplicate keys? Is there any generating duplicate OTP? Check it. You can run multiple runs. Clear, right? So it will not generate any sequence between this. So it will get generate a unique number for each OTP. If you want to generate each number for OTP. Okay. Clear everyone? Yeah. Okay guys, yeah. We will see futures is done. So I will take the identifier data types. Next, after break, we can continue with this. You got clear, right? How to run our random model. Why I gave this last one, I told you, right? Rich library. So this is a rich library. If you take random, just you can generate build in our application to where we need to build our unique key number generate for OTP for every application, web application or backend application. So there we require to communicate this. Okay guys, so uh, guys able to understand what we are following. Okay. At what time class has been started? Sunday class timing will be 8 a.m. 12 p.m. is right. No, it's same regular timing. Today class was started 7:15. Okay. Yes, yes, sir. Good. So, okay, you will go and have and come back. Okay. Just when you will 9:30, guys. 9:30. Okay, everyone. We are taking 5 minutes
Okay,
extra only. Okay. Please come
okay, okay,
back. See, from today onwards, whomever attending, those guys can able to understand this. After rest of guys will try to ignore them. Okay, just
You are
please don't skip.
9:30 to up to 9:30 to up to.
We can capability, if you have well capability, we can try to continue 12:30 or 1, or I will try to close 11 or 11:30. Okay.
Okay.
Okay guys, yeah. Go and have
okay,
and come back.
okay. Sir, are you there?
What?
Hey guys, we got late. Okay. PyCharm need to get installed for this. Okay. So as of now, just I will try to execute in. Today I will execute in Notepad. Tomorrow we'll start execution on. We'll start execution on PyCharm. Okay. You see everyone got clear, right? Everyone got clear, right? This random module, how it will get work. What is the features we have? What is the features available in Python? You
Simple and easy to learn,
okay?
freeware and open source, high-level programming language,
High
Dynamic,
level
platform
means
independent,
good,
dynamic
good. Okay. High level means user friendly.
user-friendly, yes,
Use,
understandable
yes,
language.
user friendly and user understandable. This is we can call high level. Low level means
machine language, sir.
sorry.
Machine language, sir. Low level means what?
Exactly. Security. We can call security, memory management. This all together we can call low level. Okay. Come to next. What is next feature?
Both procedure and object-oriented programming,
Okay. Good.
interpreted, extensible, embedded, extensive libraries.
Okay. Okay. Extensive library means sorry. Extensive library. Extensive library what?
It has huge library, sir.
Yes. Huge library. We can group together. We can take as the huge library. And together we can as please stop the recording, sir. No problem, no problem. Just you can skip the 30 minutes, okay? No worry. Okay, then what we'll do? This is a huge random library. You can get it for the generating our Python library applications. You can generate the OTP. You can generate the mobile OTP, whatever OTP we are getting in general purpose, right? So similar just you can go there and you can find the see this is we can call extensive library. This is we can call extensive library. So next topic we are going to discuss about what is this? Okay, it's not required. Wait guys, I will close so few April mails. Hey guys, this date this week. Next week, whomever attending, those guys I will share the recording. Okay. Okay. Just we can continue here. Okay. Python. Okay. See, what is the flavors of Pythons we have in? What is the flavors of Python? C Python, J Python. You know, C Python. Flavors of Python. Okay. C Python, J Python, and Iron Python. Iron Python means using .NET applications kind. Okay, py, then Anaconda Python, Anaconda Python, Ruby Python, Ruby Python. This is the flavor. There is, if you want, you can define your customization Python as well. C Python means it is standard flavor of Python. It can be used to work with C language. It is work with C language. Okay. Then J Python. It is for a Java application. It can run on top of the JVM. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Okay. Java Virtual Machine. See, I run Python. See, I run Python means using C Sharp, using C Sharp, .NET, using C Sharp, .NET. We can use, this is C Python using C language. Using J Python means Java. Okay, this is Iron Python means we can use library and run on the .NET application. You know, right? .NET application. PyPy means the main advantage of PyPy is performance will be improved because Git compiler is available inside PVM. Git compiler will be available in PVM, Python Virtual Machine. Whatever we are going to talk about is inside this py file. This will have the Git library to holding data and code repository tool. Then Anaconda Python. Anaconda is specially designed for handling large volume of data processing. It has been developed for handling large volume of data processing. Data Large volume of data processing. Okay. So what is a Ruby Python? For Ruby platforms only we can apply. For Ruby platform only we can apply. Clear, right? Flavors of Python. Flavors of Python. So next concept we are going to discuss about. There we have concept. Current version we can use 10 point. We have 3.10.1, right? Current version, but we have been installed 3.9.0. So we have the identifier. First concept we are going to enrolling in identifier. I identifier. See a name. See, just please note it down. A name in Python. A name in Python program is is called identifier. See guys, this identifier is a very important in entire our Python application, as well data science application, data analyst application, as well front end, back end, wherever you are going to define, maybe class name, function name, method name, object name, or variable name. Whatever name reference we are going to create, it should be follow certain conditions. It should be follow certain condition. Blindly we can't give some name to reference variable for the each class name, variable name, method name, and object name, and function name. It should be have some rules and regulations to define the variable or references. Okay, so it can be so a name in Python. So a name in Python program is called identifier. What is the meaning of a name in Python? See, it may be class name, class name, or function name, or module name, or variable name, or object name. See, whenever we are going to define some variable, method, class, object, that before we will give some reference name, right? Some a is equal to 10, some a is equal to 10, right? We are defining that. See, a is equal to 10 means just I'm trying to give a is equal to 10, right? A is equal to 10. I am giving. Just is it possible to 1 a is equal to 10? What is this? What is the issue? Why is not accepting? What's not accepting? See, I saw many in my as per my experience. So few of them blindly they will give when whomever joined in. We know right who got trained, who have some 3 to 4 years experience guys. They will come directly. They will try to if I see some requirement, they will do blindly requirement something. So it has some rules and regulations to when you define variable name, class name, object name, and function name and variable. These five, whenever you are going to define, you should follow certain rules and regulations. Then only you can define. Invalid syntax. Invalid syntax means what this guy is one of the I have been given requirement name, but he was trying to do something, but he is not able to define profile variable reference. This profile variable is the reference. Okay, underscore a is equal to 10 I give. Why it has been taken? Why it has been taken? Underscore a int of underscore a. See, special character will get allow only underscore. For that reference, we have only underscore it will get allow. Just hyphen a is equal to can we define hyphen a? See, what is this? Cannot assign to operator. What happened? See, minus is the operator. Minus is the operator. Plus is the operator. Division, modulo. There is invitation, commas. This is all have some meaning for the defining the variable. Meaning for the defining variable. Okay, only this underscore only will doesn't have any meaning for assigning values for the our Python application. So this special symbol only underscore only special symbol will get allow. Okay, like a mine just I can give hyphen, like I can take Raju hyphen. We can take some Yuvraj. This is my reference name. Is equal. I need to define string Yuvraj. It will throw error. It will give. It will give. It will get compile. Interpreter will throw error or it will get compile. Ayyo.
It will throw error.
Why? What is the reason? Do you have any reason why it will throw error? Hello. It will throw error. Correct only.
The
Exactly.
underscore, instead of underscore, you have utilized the minus symbol.
Good. See, minus is the operator. This minus is the operator. Cannot assign operator if showing C. Only if I give here, what will happen? Now what will happen? what will happen? What will happen? I am giving Raju underscore Yuvraj my variable reference name. It will get interpreter will get compiled, and PVM will execute, or it will throw any error. 70, please respond.
So I think it will execute.
It will.
I think it will execute.
It will not give any error. Underscore, it will, I told you right, underscore special symbol will get allow. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Special symbol. Instead of this place, you will give minus, it will treat as the minus operator. Minus operator. Okay. What is the following certain rules and second rule here? Rules to define identifier. Rules to define identifier. If only allowed characters in Python are the only allowed characters in Python are below. Yes, we can take alphabet symbol, alphabet symbols, either lowercase or uppercase. Either lowercase or uppercase. Then we have digits. Digits. Hey guys, I will ask you question. You should be ready to answer. It will allow 0 to 9. You should be ready to answer. Underscore symbol. Only this symbol will get allowed. By mistake, if you are using any symbol like dollar or ash or minus operator, division operator, modulo, slash, black slash, forward slash, it will throw error. Only will get allow underscore and either lowercase or uppercase alphabet symbols, it will get allow. See, rules to define the identification in Python. Now, I will ask you the questions. You should be ready to answer. You should be ready to answer. Please be ready, guys. This is the a name in Python. A name in Python program is called a identifier. It may be class name, variable name, method name, or function name, object name. Whenever we are going to define these names, we should follow the certain identifications. We should follow the particular formation. So now we can see. Now we can execute. It is a guys. Alphabet symbol alphabet symbols allow either lowercase or uppercase characters allow. So in digits we have 0 to 9 only. 0 to 9. Then it will underscore only. Special character will allow only underscore. Now guys be ready to identify this. Now be guys to answer. Now I will write the coding. Now I will write the coding. Yes, you can see what is the okay. See A underscore 1. E underscore 1 is equal 100. It will throw any error. E underscore 1. Srevanti, Pushpa are able to understand or use. What it will give? What is the output? What is it will give the it will give any compiler error?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sorry? You guys sorry?
Sir, it will not give any error, sir.
Maybe. Okay. Pushpa, what is it will throw any error?
Sir, it's a compilation error. No.
Sorry? Compilation
No,
error.
sir. No, no, sir.
Okay. Ramadevi, Gayatri, Ramadevi, Gayatri, Pushpa. See, it will throw any error?
No
It will
error,
not
sir.
throw. Why? Why it's not throwing error?
We usually end up.
Sorry?
Because it's allowed characters, sir.
Only it will allow underscore is a normal or a special character.
Special character.
Only it will
Special,
get allow only special character
special characters.
underscore only. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you guys okay. ABC underscore ABC is equal my name is Yuvraj is a high spark trainer. Okay, just look at here. See what it will throw error. ABC underscore capital ABC. What it will throw error? What guys? What it will give?
Your name?
It won't throw any errors, sir. No error.
No error?
Yes, sir.
No error. Ali is telling no error. Okay. Pushpa, it will give any error?
No, sir. It won't throw any errors.
Are you sure, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pallavi, Ramadevi, Gayatri, are you able to understand what we're trying to say?
Sir, it does not show any error, sir.
Okay. Gayatri, see, it will not throw any error because what we gave certain condition here. So just go rule. Just go this rule. What is this? Alphabet symbol either lowercase or uppercase. We can allow digits 0 to 9, but underscore symbol only it will get out. Okay. Now just same thing. We are focusing on this reference only. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3 ABC. Now 1, 2, 3 ABC. What it will give?
That will show error, sir.
It will
Maybe
throw.
Error.
error.
Okay. A 1, 2, 3 ABC. Pushpa, Gayatri, you are not able to understand.
No errors, sir.
No error.
There is no error.
Pushpa, no error, right?
Yes, sir.
Venkatesh, what is that?
It will give execute.
It will get execute.
Yes.
Okay. Venkatesh is saying it will get execute. Let's see how he is building confidence. Okay, Sravanti, it will give.
So I
Gayatri,
don't know exactly. I think it will get errors. Why? Because the numeric and characters we use both, right?
Yes, yes,
okay.
it will give error.
It will give error, Venkatesh.
I don't know exactly,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay. Venkatesh got some output, I don't know. We'll see. Execute and see. See, we'll execute this. It gave error. Why? Why we got error? See, whenever we are giving the reference name, we should not start with digits. We should not start with digits.
Digits.
Remember, we should not start with digits. This is one more condition, remember. One more condition, remember. There is no out of these conditions. Okay. One will allow underscore. One is the we should whenever we are giving the reference name, we should define the characters only. Not it should not start with digits. We should it should start with characters and one more underscore symbol. That's it. Then I will take here now. Now now it will give.
Error, sir.
Execute.
It will throw. See, my answer is it will throw error. My answer is it will throw error. What is your answers, guys? A B C one two
Sir,
three.
it will execute, sir.
It will execute.
So can you show the code, sir, on side?
See.
So that is iPhone, right?
There is no any hyphen, right? Where is hyphen? Did I mention anywhere hyphen?
ABC 1 2 3.
And
iPhone or underscore? Okay, okay.
What is it will give? See, my answer is it will throw error. What is your answers?
so maybe it will
Answers.
throw error only. Why? Because the underscore you have to mention in between characters and number digits.
Okay. Good, Shravanti. What about reminding us, Pushpa?
Um,
Gayatri, you are not responding. If you're not able to follow me, let me know. We will try to revise. We will try to repeat once again. Okay. Ramadevi, you are following me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just what I'm pointing to need to get to involve into the subject. Please try to. Okay. It will throw error. Shall I
Yes, sir.
execute? Shall I execute?
Yeah,
Yes,
execute.
sir.
Your answer also. Everyone is saying it will not throw any error, right?
No, no, sir. It throw error because you gave minus, right?
Where I gave minus?
Sir, after 1 2 3.
This is, or you feeling like error? No, there is no minus. Is equal.
Oh, is equal to. Oh, sorry. In my
Yes.
mobile, it's look like minus.
If you see
Okay.
mobile minus only, who told you to log in with mobile? Huh? What you don't have laptop, Samsudin? You have, but you don't have time to open that and put charging and on. This will take some lengthy of process, right? So
Okay.
don't
Okay, sir.
log in with mobile. That's very okay. Now we
Okay.
have. So now it will throw error, right? Hey, why it's not throwing error? I told you, right? My answer is error. But why it's not throwing? ABC 1, 2, 3. See, this Yuvraj is see, it will throw what I told. See, whenever we are defining the variable reference name, it should not start with digits, but it should start with characters only, alphabets only. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, so here I will give you underscore. I will give underscore. Yes, can you say, guys? Will you able? Will we? Can we able to run?
Yes,
What is? It will not throw any.
it will not
Sorry,
throw any error, sir.
Sir, it will throw error, sir.
it will throw error. It will not throw error. We got two outputs. Okay. What is?
Sir,
What
if
is? Can you once again?
so there is
Pushpa.
yeah, sir. So you entered special character also. If it's allows it, so it won't be get any errors, sir. Unless
It will execute, sir.
See, Shamsidi saying is execute. It will get
Yes, sir.
executed.
Yeah, we
Pushpa
gave special character.
it will throw error. Okay. Let's see. I will execute. Not throwing any error. Pushpa, why? What is the reason here behind
Special character.
so they are mentioned underscore, sir.
special character alone?
Yeah,
Only one character. What is that?
underscore.
Underscore. That's it. Don't confuse. Don't confuse. Then now if I give here, what will happen? At the data and symbol. Invalid syntax. Why? Because it should only under special character alone only. What about that?
Special.
Special character only allow the. Yo, what will happen if I execute this?
Error,
It will be
error.
comment, sir.
Error, right?
So it will get errors, sir.
Dash ABC is not defined. If you give this is the one combination. This is it's treating as the one ABC 1 and 1 2 3 1. Individually it will take unpacking. You're taking unpacking. Leave it out. Unpacking. So special symbol when we defining this, that is ABC treating as the one pack. Okay, so it's getting allow initially, but that treating as the packing. So I will take def is equal. Why it's showing it error? That is the this is the existing function. This def keyword we will use for the creating functions. This is the variable is the keyword. See, this is the def is the keyword. What keyword? This is the we have the reserved word, 32 reserved words we have, keywords. So if you give if condition, it will throw error. Else condition, can we take else? So it will throw error. Any reserved keyword we cannot apply. For loop can you apply? For is equal to. So this is the reserved words also we cannot apply. Okay. We have the 32 reserved words. I will explain next. So this is the rules and conditions we should follow the underscore abc underscore is equal. What is it will throw any error? It will not throw any error. Okay. Okay. Just we can see whenever we are talking about underscore. Yeah, that is the mostly we should follow the rules and regulations, guys. Okay. So note on one point. See, if identifier if start with underscore symbol, it indicates that is private. Then it indicates that is private. If identifier start with double underscore two underscore symbol underscore symbol, then we can call indicating the strongly private. Then it indicates strongly private. Okay. So if identifier start with if double underscore start with double underscore and ends ends with double underscore. This is known as a magic method. This is known as magic method. Magic method. Okay. Example underscore underscore. This is the magic method. Okay. Yes, we can go for the reserved words. We have next concept is clear, right? Everyone how to define reference names. Same way we should follow for the class name, method name, and object name and function name. Okay, clear everyone? Hey guys, clear everyone? Shall we go for next concept?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Rohit, able to understand?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Gayatri, Gayatri, are you able to understand? You are simply watching. Okay. Reserved votes. Reserved votes. Please try to follow your rough notes as well too while practicing. In Python, some words are reserved words to represent some meaning or functionality. Such a type of words are called a reserved words. There are 33 reserved words available in Python. 33 reserved words available in Python. 33 reserved words available in Python. What is that 33? True, true, false, none. Next, and, are, not, is. While, break, continue, while break, continue, for, return, in, yield. Then what we have? We have exception. Try catch, try accept, try accept, finally, try accept, finally, phrase, asset. Import from, as, def, pass, global, non-local, lambda, with. Import from, as, class, def, pass, global, non-local, lambda, and del with. Non-local, lambda, del with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. What we missing? Here we need control statement. If, elif, and else, right? This we need to add. Now we have 33, right? Am I right? 33 reserved votes we have. No. See, note the point. All the reserved words in Python contain only alphabet symbols. Alphabet symbols. Except the following three reserved words, all contain only lowercase alphabet symbols. What are that? True, false, none. True, false, none. See, this true, false, none is the sensitive. It should combination of uppercase and lowercase. Remaining all reserved words, it will not be lowercase. Okay. These all words we are going to cover one by one in going forward. Okay. Then let's execute. A is equal, just we can take A is equal true. What is showing true is not defined. True is not defined. Can we take this? A is equal true. A is equal true. Okay. Then B is equal false. B is equal false. B is equal false. Okay. B is equal false. So, if boss, if whatever reserved words available in our Python, I need to get how to import keyword, keyword. Yes, we can take import dot keyword dot keyword dot list, keyword dot kw list, kw list. This is the reserved words available in Python. This is the reserved words will available in Python. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Does anyone have any question?
No, sir.
This is the reserved words available. Okay. Just a minute. See what is sir? Okay. This week we will observe. See maximum. I will try to close the next week the Python guys. Okay. I will try to close for Python next week. Okay. Just a minute. I will back. This is brief about the keywords. This each and every keyword we are going to discuss. No worry about that. Just keyword not kw list. If you give that method, just you will get the list of keywords available in our await break. We have most we are going to use for 33. Okay. So shall we move switch for next concept? Data types. Data types. Data types. Okay. Then we can take first one is int, float, boolean, complex, right? Complex, bool, string, bytes, bytes array, range, list, tuple, set, Trojan set, dictionary. Dict means dictionary. Okay. And none. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These 14 data types we are going to use. We are going to use and we are going to discuss. We are going to use and we are going to discuss as well. Okay. Okay. Let's start our what about guys? I will take till then 11. Okay. Just please cooperate. See, you're feeling weekend difficult, right? This is the first weekend, right? If I take more 4 to more than 4 hours, you will get feel bored as well. You will get bored. This is heavy. Okay, you will feel like heavy. I will 11 o'clock. I will try to close, guys. Okay. Okay. Nice. What is in Python? We have the several inbuilt functions. Okay, each and everything in Python, it will treat as the object. Python will treat as the object. Guys, what is the data type? Someone give, what is the data type? I'm okay. What is the data type? Data types represents the type of data present inside a variable. Represents the type of the data present inside a variable. Okay, this is we can call data type. Shall I repeat once again? Data type represent the type of data present inside a variable. This is we can call as the data types. In Python we are not required to specify the type explicitly. Already we have seen in our futures dynamically type. We no need to declare explicitly. Based on our value, provide the type will be assigned automatically. Hence, Python is dynamically typed language, and our Python is the dynamically typed language. Clear, everyone? See, this is the 14 data types contained in Python. See, it will pointing to the each and every variable. Every variable is a immutability except list, set, dictionary, and further set. These 4 to 5 data types. Overall 10 data types we have. every variable is the data type is the immutability. What is the immutability advantage? What is the mutability advantage? We can go forward. You will get to know here. Okay. See, let's talk about. Hmm, hmm. Let's talk about. Let's talk about. We have A is equal 10, B is equal 20, then A is equal 10, B is equal 10. Now, how this data will get stored into the heap memory? Yes, A we can take A only we will take A. Okay, A pointing to the 10, A pointing to the 20. A pointing. This is a grammar. Okay, so then A B. Yes, object is pointing to the same. Object is pointing to the same. See, this is the A two times we have been assigned. Here, A has been declared into A is equal 10, A is equal 20, but reference is same, reference is same, but content is different. But content is different. So, this what it will do, whatever in memory, whatever latest value has been assigned into the A value, it will give first. It will give the first. A is equal 10, B is equal 10. But different reference name, but content is same. Content is content same. So it will go and store into the two objects in memory, two objects, two objects in memory. Here only one object get created. Object get created. Only one object will get created because the references is different, but the content is same, right? Content is same. Can we check? What is this? A is equal 10, A is equal 20. Two objects are created in memory. We will check this. Then A is equal 10, B is equal 10. Two different reference content is same. How data will get allocated? How objects will get assigned? What I am saying here, two objects will get created. Two objects will get created first one. Second one, how many objects it will get created? How many objects second one will get created? A is equal 10, A is equal 10. What is that?
One object.
Can we check practically? Can we see physically? Can we see physically how it will?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
And A is equal 10, right? B is equal 10, right? B is equal to 10 or 20. Again, A is equal 20, right? What I have been taken example. A is equal 10, A is equal 20, right? Then A is equal 10, B is equal 10. Then we will see. Print A. A is equal 10. What is ID has been created? Wait. Yes, again I will create. A is equal 10. Okay. Then what is ID for this? This is the object has been allocated in memory. This is object has been created in memory. Same thing. B is equal 20. B is equal 20. I will take ID for this B. It has been created. Is it has been recited same object? No. It has been created different object. A is equal 10. Yes. ID of A. Then B is equal 20. B is equal 10 we will take only. Okay. Then we will take the B. What is the object for this? A is equal to ID. B is equal to see. It has been created same object. It has been created same object, but references is two different variable, but object will create only one object. Only one object. Here I told you, right? A is equal, A is equal, A is equal 10, B is equal 10. Only one object created. Content same, only one object created. See here. I told you, right? So A is equal 10, B is equal 10. But object has been allocated same. This is the ID means object ID. It will go on pointing to the each and every object. In Python, each and every word we can treat as the object. Maybe variable, class, methods, function, and object. We can treat as the object. See here. The same thing I will take. A is equal 10 and A is equal to 20. Wait. Print. We can take A. And I will take B. Again A is equal 20 I will give. Again A is equal 20 I will give. What is the reference? What it will give? Same object or different? Same object or different objects it will get created.
Two
A is
objects.
equal.
You have to give ID B, right? ID A, right? Again.
Sorry, come again.
The A equals to 20. Print ID. You have given B.
Okay, we have to give B. Very good. We have to give A. We should not give B. Okay. What it has been different object? Why it has been created? A is equal 10. A is equal 20. Two variables we define. A is equal 10. ID is 72. A is equal 20. This is the ID of A is equal 92 objects. See, object IC said based on our content, it will go and create different objects. It will go on memory allocation is different. Here see, two objects in memory will get created, right? Two objects memory allocate will get created, right? Correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So just try to remember this. Okay. Then how to find type of A? Type of A you can get type as well. Okay, you know this is the type. If you want to find Ty type of A, we can get type. ID means object has been created or not. We can get it here. ID of A means it will get. We can find the ID. Which ID has been created in memory. Okay. Then print. Print Print is a method to print the content. Print the content. Clear, everyone? In Python, we have the long data type to represent very large application. So, first data type can we discuss if everyone is clear how this object is storing? Can we go for first data type?
Yes.
Our strength going to be decreased. Oh, our strength is getting increased now. Okay, let's talk about what is next. Int data type. First, we will talk about int data type. Int data type. What is a int? See, we can use int data type to represent whole numbers, integral values. We can use int data type to represent whole number, integral value, integral values. Okay. Okay. See, we can represent the See, int data type we can represent the whole numbers of only integral values. Okay, so in Python too we have long data type to represent very large integral values. In 3.x onwards, they are not using long data type. Everything they have been migrated to int. You can use for any large application. You can use any large application. Okay. See, we can use for any plot application. మళ్ళీ మీటింగ్ అయిపోయినాక వస్తావా సరే just we can bigger value we can try to execute. We can try to execute this bigger value. So can we take more? So there is no any limitation. You can execute at more than long data type 64 digit up to 64 digits. You can enter the values. Okay, there we can go for the is decimal form, binary form, octal 0 to 16, just hexadecimal. We can define this is as well if we require. Okay, we have the base conversions as well, but that's not that much required to discuss here. Just next I will go for the float data type. You can guys numerical value. You don't want to discuss any here, okay? Float value. Float data type. Float data type wants. We can use float data type to represent floating point values, decimal values. We can use float float data type to represent floating floating point values like decimal values. Example we can take, see, hey guys, that is we can take the numerics, whole numbers we can define over there in it. See, here you know right, in if you take petrol price, stock exchange, daily trading, see, they will have the dot indication, some dot points indication like petrol we have 101 rupee, 101.2 paisa, 100 rupees 10 paisa, 98.9 paisa. Yes, whenever we want dot indication, it will go for the floating point. Whenever we need to represent this type of data, then we should go for the floating point, float data type. Okay, yes, a is equal to 100.1 11. What is the type for this? What is the type of a? What is the type of a? We have type is what type? What is type for this?
Float.
Float.
Float. You don't want to go for the representation. We can represent these floating points, any values between these. Okay, this is whenever we need this indication, then we should go for the dot indications like floating data type. Okay, you don't want to go for much examples guys. Okay, just very simple. Whenever dot indication required, that we can treat it, will Python will treat as the float data type. Okay, then we can discuss about complex 100.59 paisa, something we need paisa indication, right? Dot indication, stock exchange, when our debits credits, right? So there we have the dot rupees. So there, those type of data we can store into floating point values. We can take this complex data type. complex data type Complex data type. Yes, we can take 3 plus 5g, 10 plus 5.5gg. We can take scenario like whenever you come to this complex data type, a complex number is of the form. Okay, complex data type. Yes, we can read about this. What is the complex data type, guys? A complex number is of the form. complex data type. Then how we can represent this? Just a plus a plus b, a plus b. Yes, we can j2 is equal to minus 1. j2 is equal to minus 1. J square, that is j square, that is root hyphen 1. Root hyphen 1. Okay. This is real part. This is real part. Imaginary part. Imaginary part. Imaginary part. A and B contain integers or floating point values. It may be contain integers. This value it can represent integers or floatings. There is no any consideration. Okay. Then, for example, what we can take? Hey, this clear, right? This is the real part. This is the imaginary part. This is real part. See, when we will use this complex data type, whenever we require statistics application, mathematical application, this deep learning in machine learning, where we are going to apply the statistics, there we will apply this complex data type. There we will apply this complex data type. Okay. Okay. Just I will execute more few examples. There's 3 plus 3 plus some 5j. 3 plus 5j we can take and we can execute this. Yes, we can take 3 plus a is equal 3 plus 5j. Some a, what is a? A 3 plus 5j. Can we find type of a? What is complex? Did I define anywhere in complex? Did I declare? No.
No.
By default, it has been taken as the complex data type. See, in the real part, if we are using int value, then we can specify that either by decimal, octal, binary, hexadecimal. But imaginary part should be specified only by using decimal form. We should specify with decimal form only. Okay. Then a is equal 10 plus 10.5 J. B is equal 20 plus 20.20 J. What is this? Okay. What is this assignment? B is equal 20 plus 20 J. Okay. That is we should know. See, A plus B. A plus B. See, here also it's getting indication. A plus B is equal to what? 30 plus 30.5 J. It has been matched with two values. Okay. This is complex data type. We will not use anywhere this complex data type. No worry. Just try to understand. This is the complex form. Whenever we are going to use our statistics application, mathematical application, there we will go for the complex data type. Okay, then we have fourth one is Boolean data type. We can use this data type to represent Boolean values. We can represent Boolean values. What it will return Boolean value? We can use this data type to represent Boolean values. Boolean values. They only allowed values for this data type are true or false. True, true or false. Okay. Can we execute what are all these? A is equal 10, B is equal 20, print A is equal B. Can we execute? What it will return? It will return true or false. It will return true or false. Ayo.
False.
False.
Why? Why it will false? It will return.
Double is equal to you have given.
Double is equal not. See, we are saying here condition A is equal B means A value is equal to B value equal we are saying. But A value 10, B value is 20. But this is not equal, right? So it
Okay,
has
okay.
been written false. It has been written false. Okay. Then if you take here greater than false. If you take less than true, we will go for operators. Okay. We'll go for operators. True. We will go operators. You will get clear, more clear. Okay. Okay. Then apart from this, guys, does anyone have any question? We have the operators as well. We will discuss that operators. Okay. You should not lose any way. I will teach you the operators as well. Okay. I will going for the operators. Okay. Yes, guys. Shall we continue? If everyone is okay, I am ready. But this is first weekend, right?